attack valid pan. We don't mix up. Me not use people. If I rate you, I am a friend. And if connection did a connection dead, I mean I use people. And if I never have the connection with Akim, me and him would have done a long time. I must connect to the Wi-Fi, I say the tree back, the wall of the bar them full up. Me nah look. Cause I make us just sit down with one person and then you have to pretend face you like somebody. Me not like pretend to me like somebody, you know. Me and the boss great. Me not like pretend to me like somebody, you know. I'm on the 12th of June 1993. I stay true to myself and real to myself as always. I don't live delusional life. I don't live fairy tale life. I don't live fool life. I'm a rate, and if I don't rate, you're going to know come I'm not show people how I feel. I tell you out of my mouth. It don't work out. I want to show people how you feel. You deal with somebody that show them how you feel, and they show now where them can't recognize. I'm not really intending that like that. Nothing to the dog, you know, but I just my feelings, my work off. I say me the outspoken for the dog, why not? I love to blood clot, no. You understand? But it's a look a generous feeling me like for a boy. When a boy give me a rush feeling, yeah. Look at excitement, me want to see the excitement for see you. So I want to say that I generate lush feeling there. I use people boy pitney. No reach me, no use man. Man use me, but me no use man. I use people. Period. If me even go up on the road, I'ma say you help me out. At the end of the night, me not left, I'm gonna put something in your hand. Me no use people. Me no use people. Me no know how to do it. Me no use people. Cause when you use me, you're mad. Make never say I use me. I feel like you use me. I get an into you use me. And the worst thing ever. Cause me not like feel use. So I'm gonna use people. Cause the Bible says give unto others that we don't want others give unto you. Me have pack number on my phone. You know me not call him a lady man. 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 I'm a little brethren. Me not call him a lady man. I know some girl, if that boy and I use them, them go use the next boy. If I say you, me say straight, me say straight. And if me done with that straight, me done with that straight. Me use people. I'm a big woman, I don't have time for that. But anyway, we will play best out of 6. We have play best out of 6 strat. We have to play the game smart. Who can run go recharge? When I'm a moderator here, can help you out tonight? If run go recharge strat. Play the game smart. Queen over there will lavish show span wheel. 1 second dynamite. Boom, power head every minute. So here we go do. We can't go hard. Instead of the first half, we can't go hard. Little and bam. Little bam. It's when we reach the first game, second game, we win it with a little notch. 120k. First game, second game, 120. First game, second game, 120k. Fourth game, 120k. It's the last 2 games. Tell the truth, they don't care who queen is. We don't tell you about the shooter them over there. So here we go play the game. First game and second game and third game, 4th game we play with a punch. We now go all in. This is the last 2 games them. We'll get out. So I have to work together. So the first speed to put 2 money gun or 1 way. The first triple. The first speed to put 2 money gun. Or 1 gun galaxy. Or 2 galaxy. The second speed, we throw all 1 2 or 1 3 wheel. If 1 push go there. If him not play hard, we play smart. We play for snipe. We have to utilize it. As we get fucked like last night. And we count the cup tonight. So, we have to play with militancy chat. We run go recharge and try game at 6. Who can recharge $1 $5, $10, $20, $8, any amount. We could try. Nothing beat a trial but a failure. That's it. Yeah, chop me the lead on people. Long time I stay so for me a picnic. That's why me no your mouth, man. Because I decide something from me meet, I decide something I fuck you. So I not take your things. Me no love take man things. Cause if I take man things, man don't want beg your back fuck and you don't know what you gonna do. Cause you're not interested. No lead on people for me. Yeah. Cause you can talk to a nigga, you know. And at the time, him no want you must talk. And then you look bam fuck past the things them you fuck him because you want. You fuck him because you in the mood you fuck him. You lead him and pay him can't leave you. When you lead them man pay you like an obsession, them no leave. Them come like virus in your blood. The lead that man for me. That's why I'm ready to take the one that me like. So if I don't like it no more, I can't go on. I don't take the one that really want me. If I really want me, I can't get rid of you. I take the one that me like. So me, if you go on, I go on. I talk to the man that me like. Them not for want me, no, me want them. Team the Lulu make a recharge. You lovely land man for me. Me all over with 2 claw. Chicks and trades and matching boxing business. Me lead man for me. Worse people, good boy. Me never time. Some your time man. Me not time man. We not bond together, we not glue together. You can't live any time. Sometimes some people come in your life at the right amount of people want to stay. Me not force people to stay with me, you know. Me not force if you like me. Me not force if you love me. Me not force if you stay with me. You say the energy with me depend, you know depend it. I'ma say we depend. Me leave you alone and go look somebody else. That's what them have a sense. Who have them stick a bush. You see when I match my energy, I when me really like I'm saying they like me that much, me love you. Me can't take friend zone. That means say me not call you a question and me no want to know nothing about you. Me take friend zone. Me not bank up people for me. I'm Gaza man, me like you. Yeah. Me the bank up man for me. Me the friend zone. Yeah, me the bank up man for me. Someone who walk and bank up man pound to blood clot. Like we just try to live a blood clot then and can't get rid of man. Me the bank up man for blood clot me. Me not had nobody hurt me come. Me the bank up man for me. Me love you just the way you am. Me love you just the way you are. So if you're a thief, criminal, anything, me love you just the way you are. If I love you, me love you. If I not like you, me not like you. And sometimes when I walk from people, me not even shout. Because I'm deadly, you know. Yeah, I'm deadly. I'm deadly. You can say something to me this minute, and the next minute me just change. I'm not argue with you. That's how deadly I can be. And you don't know where my headspace is because you will never know it. I'm dangerous, because I'm a dangerous girl. I'm not argue with you. I'm love you just the same. But you say that 110% loyalty you have one time, it dropped down to a 35-40. You wonder how you do me, don't do me shit. But for me say the same energy where the same energy where me give you, not give me back, me not put in no more. Like if you throw, say you throw milk in a coffee, it can't sweeten, me just drink it, say me freshish. Me not done my blood clotting I can then smell. Trying to prove how much I care. If you don't see that, you'll never see it, let me back away. I saw my back away from people. But that's the last time I play one match. I know Mr. Jaden though, go over Swissley Live, go type, say, watch when me start lose one. I mean, I said to myself, say, and this is the reason why them brother, I'm avoid. You know, so I keep my chat back to Jaden. This is the reason why I'm avoid them, because I don't like too much controversy and mix up and it's not there. Because if me and the man I play one match, whether me win or lose, me not lose nothing. We still get points. At the end of the day when the night done, we still get coins. Why you go over there go court the dog, watch my face when I start lose? What that supposed to mean? We not corruption. And the next time me and Jennifer follow, me now block him. Silent. Me now hold no argument with you. I'm not pretend like me hate you, cause I don't. But just go silent pa you. Me not look pa you, me not use you. You wonder what you do me. You comment too much. I don't like big problem. I don't trust people, period. Somebody said come give me. Me have them in my inbox. And that is why I keep clean content. And I tell moderator throw away people. Jaden me attack wife. I tell them throw away people. I said the art of me having in my lifetime, one can't have the art. Me no bad man, me no grudge, me no envy. I'm more for push you in a life. I love it for who you is. But me like the world, but the world don't like me. And when me get understand to me, I was like the world and the world don't like me. My jaw with my blood clot teeth, toe and hand and say, you know what? I was always like the world and the world don't like me. Let I pull away me. Cause me can never stop be a kind-hearted person. And me can never stop love the world and the world don't love me. Many people is that many person across me go across. I go across you, I love you. And I hope them fuck themselves. In the beginning and still fucking themselves in the end. We take my blood clot though. I walk away from them. I walk away. I might there and walk away. I left jokes on my physically left jokes on my mind before me and jokes actually left, you know. I walk away. I can be here speaking to you and I'm not into you. I walk away. That's how I stay. I don't need to argue. Sometimes I don't argue. It's not all the way I like to argue. No, it's not all the way I like to argue. Sometimes I just walk away. Silent, I'm silent, dead. This is my water. My dear. And if me I talk to a man and a man tell me how him physically feel about me, I just the truth. So I don't argue. It's okay. We don't fight evil with evil, we fight evil with prayer. They can all do what I don't have to block them, Munchi. They can all do what they want to do. I just know where I stand in people's life. Watch my future, right? You know what? You never know where you're standing in a nigga life, you know. I just know I'm standing in them life. So you know what? If anything, I just know them stay. So you know a man stay and I have to work with it and you walk away simple. Stop do too much for people. I'm gonna stop do too much for people because these people out here is very ungrateful. When me love, you know, when me hate. And when me nah look, me look. Three things about me. When me love. When me hate. And when me nah look, me just nah fucking look. There's three things about me with mankind don't know. When me love you, me love you. Love blind me eye. Love full up my belly, me can't eat. And when I like you, me just not like you. And when I argue with somebody, me measure my words. Because me will sting you with a word, but I still like it, so I measure it. Because me can't do that. Me can't still like a person, I never argue, I measure my words, when I go tell it. I go tell it things to bun you, but I measure my words because I still like you. And when I hate you, I empty the clip. When I hate you, the clip empty. And when I still like you, I measure my words. So before I say suck your mother, I say move John Crow. One way I go John Crow. Crosses go on, move, lift up. I'm not gonna tell you suck your mother because I measure my words. Because I still like you. And at the end of the day, you can't like a person and you use certain words with them and then expect say them are gonna feel the same way about you. That doesn't make no sense. You can't like a person and use the same words with them and expect them to have the same thing. It's not gonna make no sense. But I don't know where I be human being, we can't be fucked up. That's what I mean. When I argue with people, me still like me measure my words. If me I go hard and don't Jordan, alright. Him will always be where him be. Him not surprise me. Mankind not surprise me and people me know. Me look out for the unexpected in the people and if it in a year, I pull it out of you. So everybody's been tested in my favor. Me look out for the unexpected in the people and if you don't want, if you're not too nice, I pull out in you. But dangerous them the way there. You're not too nice. So me pull out the real dark side of you. Easily. You just try to tell you, so I say, come here. Let us play. Oh. So you're really that warful. Okay. Go back home. I'm gonna smile. Come on, I'm gonna pull it out of you. Two things, tomorrow one thing. Me search for it, me find it. Yeah. And I poke it out of you. So I can know every man who I talk to in my lifetime. I know what them do for what they won't do. And I want thing I do, I learn to live and learn. I learn to forget. Because when you forget, it does make you come a better person. I don't want bitter. Somehow I tell us that mankind no love me, love mankind, but mankind no love me. Try to want to play a 6, you go recharge. Me love my man, him love me. You don't have to be with that I go. I'm not sleep with nobody for now. So it's okay. I'm not really nice on the net. I'm nice in a real life. Me not nice on the net. I'm nice in a real life. It's just that when I meet people the first time, sometimes, you know, I'm nice in a real life. But me I add candy for. Pan, what do you want? See, you're fucking on right here. Candy vex you call her name. But I fear blood clot business. That fear, me no sugar click her like that fear business. She not go done for now, me not go argue with her. When I see fear screen call me up, scroll past it, me not argue. Me. I'm not going over there. I'm not going over there. Why I need to go over there? I'm not going over there. I am not going over there. A man always want to me a Akim story and from you go, she don't even click no live. She just leave it. When doing a talk about Akim, you come and click live and say something, so she always want to come to live and say something. It's the same thing. It's no different. They all over the internet. Me I go over there for. I'm not going over there for a reason. I'm not go over there. Make sure you go and go with for yourself. Man, that's something I come for look. I'm not go with that so I see for your screen card, I pass it. I have them time there. No, man, have them time there. I don't care what she wants to do. What does that have to really do with me? The business she want to do. Me care? Me not care. Wake up and smell the coffee. Every single time they do these things. Lady care and an eye for eye, a tooth for it. And not a eye don't play eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Right? You always tell me say me and boy in a day. I gotta tell you about your relationship you have by ya. When you tell me say boy no want me, or you expect say him feel. No, but the feelings only given one way. Maybe it's what she want to talk about. Them no understand enough because them a look clout. Me not look clout. Me not answer. Me not talking. Me not answer. Me not argue. Me not argue. I will never come and just nothing about her. Come in ask her stop talk. Anytime him big up Akim, me I big up back fear her name and it not go stop. So me not argue with her. Hush. Because in a one sentence, you tell me say man now want me be delusional. And now one next sentence, you tell me say me a big back. So you cost me and the man now want the Kyle way. So what me for do now? Go so. Don't it? Because I'm ridiculous, I'm a mad. In a one sentence, you tell me say my back big. And I one next sentence, you tell me say me delusional like a boy now fuck me. But then I want next sentence, me tell you say you fuck girl and you get her eat her and she don't want you. So there's two different sentences. So why you always want to talk about me and the boy, but me never talk about you and your woman, them. So she wasn't known to TikTok. We know about her. So we talk about what we know. It's no difference. No argument, you know that she keep on clicking live like she want me in another argument. If I'm mother shut it, me not look. Come in know me, you know. The devil's advocate. Because they will fuck with you and you don't say shit. But when you start to fuck with them, you get the fucking out of the shit. Oh, she never called no. You talk about me and my man and I talk about you and your woman. So if she keep argue with me, argue with him and tell him for stop. What the fuck you come in an argument with me for every minute? Take like, no. Talk to your man. Tell him leave the girl. Leave the people because she's not going to stop calling me your thing. Simple. Because if he don't, I won't. I don't get nasty. I mean, don't go get nasty because my mom no nice, you know? Oh. Don't go like you want to come here, bitch. When me attack, never you dare kiss your blood clot teeth, yes, so. Move. Move. My program is on your program. Never you ever. Come here, whore. But drink come Shana while you're black. And I will want to do it. When you come on the blood clot, that's a Zuma come out there, you know. Man no what? Thanks, boo. Man no war me. And then when you look at him say, oh, him here for mama fuck. Him here for mama fuck at the outside, I'm gonna go back him fist. When you listen to one two session, you hear if him be mother come say him not mind him pitney. You know what a problem. You don't worry about me if man no want me for. One thing I'm not gonna defend myself. The keep on a word man a fuck me and not like say me shot. Like say me shot a fuck. You know go a 4 time me breed. I hope I fuck my pull up. Me can't stop now. Me's a long time register, long time or. Me can't done now. Me used to fuck Sunday, Monday every day. Every day. Me's a long time. Like I have a long time registered nurse. Me a long time registered fucker girl. Me not short a fuck. If I want to fuck, I'm going to take my money and buy it. One hour about me and fuck for. I'm going to come back to that session here, for. But me not argue either. But you got to click live and talk. So I'm going to talk. Tell him for stop. We don't know what man want me or not. How much man fuck some only girl I don't want to know. Ain't you worry about if man a fuck me. Me delude you do it around. At the same process. And the first time I talk to Chivek still no. Tell him for stop. The whole of we have feelings. Remember, so you and him did have relationship and you tell him to stop, leave the girl alone. When him start by me, start by him. Because if Akim done the same thing and the same thing, I tell Akim, left the blood clad people them because you are trouble people them. And when you start, them start and them not done. Because she not got done. When you come to the top, I'm here, Rosalie, have to talk to your man. The whole of your feelings. What the fuck? Why Akim wanna fuck me? Me trigger in my face? Me stink? You know what a blood clot episode of an F-wipe when I was one bring up. What wrong with me? No, me not have feelings. Why would the fuck me in that time? Me stink? Me ugly? Try looking at my face. What the fuck wrong with me? So me not big body like not big body. Man fuck no want to, no. They don't want me to say that. I will say it. Cause it's what I see. No for them, we are talking about Al Ivan, we are talking about, oh, Akim now want you. Look, your baby father fuck you and breed you and left you with a belly of 9 months. And I know, you got caught whatever child blood clots and the man still now bumbo clot. Look how now lick about the girl and so now good as. And me and my baby father there for 12 years, and me and him left. And I talk to him, no, he must answer me. Man want, man now want, because now orangutan, rabbit ears. And turn off out of door for hang up. To catch blood clot signal. Hold on, right. Oh man, no one man fuck you and breathe and all up on you. Me keep my man from me at 20 and now me at 32. I want him fuck pan me because me fuck pan him come. With it still in that thing, some 12 years. No for no grudge me count. You look a bit than me and can't keep one man for 12 consecutive bumbucklad years. 12 blood clot years. 12 could all married. 12 years. Some people are married for 12 years. I'm a dead man for me at 20 until me at 30 blood clot too. Some people know him like my hand back. Some people know say anytime I call him, he go chat to me. Cause you can't forget 12 about a relationship with somebody. Me I'm not there, but me know him can't forget me. And some of the man breed no know what left for no. Who do baby in a belly? You know if man blood clot want me. And when me and Jackson just them, me and him never did, nobody never want nobody. Me that always want him, never want me. Him grow full of me. Make Akim grow full of me if no want me. You know, see I'm a blood clot business. So that's why I'm so I get upset in a man. Low man I come off from a bumbo clot. If a pussy clot this so like on a fucking auntie. Candy, you coulda spend all $40 million when I come in here care that have nothing to do with me. And me ain't not gonna do this girl. You coulda want to spend all $50 million. You coulda want to spend all $50 million per your car that not have nothing to do with me. You like clout. You like clout. When you're not in the spotlight, when you vex. No more bookings now work for you. And wagga in your truck back now work for you again. You coulda sworn to spend all $40 million per your car that not have nothing to do with me. That not have nothing at all to do with me. You're crashing at the spotlight. Everything you do for me see you. You could have want to spend all 2 million. You're supposed to spend it on it. Because if somebody come in my one and they mash up for spend on it. Who the fuck cares? If somebody come in my car and them lick off something I fight. That's what my God, I'm going to get it. Because only can't hype on with car. I be BMW me have to. But can't get back a drive out a man for me spend back 400,000. What you talk about? You don't in the spotlight no more. You like clout. When you look at that ship, what I like to be seen. You want clout. You're not gonna get it off of me. Cause me ain't not gonna argue. Oh. You're not gonna get it off of me, cause me you're not gonna argue upon this. You're crashing at the stoplight. Yeah. I saw what the AI I know. What the AI I know, somebody over bling I know. Somebody over bling I know. Must say Aki must say look at the party and every day you come about the same story. Every day. You like cloud too much, girl. That's why I use you. Me not use a girl. Where? You don't like cloud too much. You don't love cloud. When you over here sing wagga wagga in your throat back, I collect a kind them, I do this, I take that man, I take that, you do. Nobody no argument. Me not ignore. In time don't come by me, I tell him say fuck her out and I want her. I mean I stop saying. So she have whole it more life to clip and talk. You not gonna come see me in a real life when you can lick in my face. And that them they would do, you know. I lick me in a face, my reach. I not depend on tracing. More want to see me on just come on my foot and pull up and do now. For that me destiny reach. Me can't tell the bag attacking. Me not the bag attacking. Anytime don't come by me and tell me things them, me I tell them say fucking I want you. But that me attack, I me not care. And that me I say. You could have want to spend all $50 million for your blood clot card that not have nothing to do with me. I stand up in it. I have to turn up in it, I'm turn up in it. So if I want, go spend back $40 million on it and it sit down and have nothing to do with me. Remember, I not got money with you. I not got money with you. I not got body with you because I don't look like you. Remember me now go body, remember me, Candy, remember me now go body for body with you, you know. I'm gonna look like you. I'm gonna go money for money, who do you know? I'm gonna go house, I'm gonna go picnic for picnic. Until your man come by me, I tell him about you, and if I want to pick it up later, because you're a cloud tracer, you take it up. Simple. Simple. I'm supposed to call up any girl name. Any girl name I'm supposed to call up. Any girl name. And when me attack, me not talk with spitting in my mouth. Any girl name I call up. Me delusional man fuck she and run. That me tell don't ya. Me delusional you fuck her and run. That me say. So what the problem? Oh! So they must always talk about me. I never talk. Me not look cloud. When them they rent pan TikTok, me shut ya. You not cloud tracer. Because what? When me and the boy do the thing, the whole I want blood clot jealous. You know what, kawa. You can't get a views. And they make you mad. When me and the boy they do this, the whole I want to jealous. The whole I want jealous. The whole I want jealous na blood clot. Can you know what Aki me want the clout? A long time there you see him. You don't want him, you want the clout. You want to go back in the spotlight, figure out sing another wagga wagga and a choke back. Want to your song no more you make. We arguing for no sound artist. Go into the studio, man. Our promotion stop at you. No sound artist. I want no commoners. No sound artist on the commoners. So you arguing for no sound artist. Go back in the studio. I never know you still turn beggar. So when artists roll down for you, when artists straight down, come notice it now. He said if you did there, if you did there, and still have the artists, you wouldn't come here argue with me. No. So artists done and the world locked down now, nobody now take in a blood clot stage show appearance. No, you're not getting no more bookings. You want to come argue with me not argue with you. Until you want to say, you say it. But anytime don't tell me about Aki, me I tell him, fuck you and I use you. And me not shape like one and I just the truth. Some of the business what you want to do. You can't hype me no car, I just go buy my own cash. The key there right there, so. I never have no car there, I have it now. You don't tell your blood clot man, leave the girl alone. You don't tell them, you don't tell nobody. You don't tell a man, leave the girl alone. You don't tell nobody leave the girl alone. You not tell nobody leave the girl a blood clot alone. You don't tell a man leave the girl alone. You ever want to come click live and look clout. You never look for your man and say leave the girl alone. Leave her, no. You run come click live for look clout. That not have nothing to do with me. I say what more I say, I'm done so me I say already. And nothing when I want to say boy me can't earn because I want to live no life more than me. Because the whole way a beggar. Yeah. That not have nothing to do with me. You go over here, you go tell her that. But the fuck nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody. That have nothing to do with me. Yeah. Nobody all of me think you carrying the cost 42 you're supposed to. You're supposed to. You don't want nobody call your name. You don't want nobody call your name, but into what me say, me not give two fuck. Me wrong, come here, I got you. Leave my premises. Leave my premises. Leave my blood clad premises. Leave my premises. Move. What is wrong and right? What is the wrong and the blood clad right? He might tell me about me and one boy when I do series and I tell him about one girl when fuck. What is wrong and right in that? What is wrong and right in that? You tell me about one boy, and I tell about one girl. What is right, wrong and right in that? What is wrong and right in that? I call up any girl blood clot name. What is wrong and right in that? I not grudge them for nothing. I not grudge them for nothing, you know. I not grudge them for nothing where them blood clot have. Nothing at all. I not grudge them for nothing. Remember man, fuck them and not stay with them. Remember man, fuck them, no man no one but no man, fuck them and not stay with them. She no girl can't angry with no boy, fuck her left. No girl can't argue with can't just appropriate per road. No girl can't argue with just appropriate per road. Them come like a fling. Them come like the girl move run a blood clad. Run a each up run a blood clad. Potency back road. Naked. No girl can argue with me. Cause just go put on some clothes. Act lady like. No girl can argue with me act lady like. She want back a ride. She want back a ride. Me can't give back a ride. No girl can argue with me. I know what do I do now? What do you know? Oh, me nah no feelings. I noticed on the other day, you know, if you mention fear name, until you mention fear name, should jump come. If you mention fear name, should jump come. Me attack out of my mouth. If you mention fear name, should run jump come. So, don't have to troll me and tell me things that I'm not going to talk for you. I don't know me not talk to you. If a name get involved, you'll be good luck that. But I ain't still talking to you. He might talk to me and I talk to him. If your name get involved, you're good luck that. You're luck that. Because I still ain't talking to you. So I mean, why uno for talk, I mean, for talk, I want to tell pan this blood clot. Yeah. Uno have platform, and me have platform too. Me na walk a trouble uno. Remember when uno was things, boy, yeah. Uno love clout like dog. I mean, I stop say so. Go look blood clot something, do man. Go build content. Anytime somebody build a content, uno ride it. It was the it thing. And the whole I wanna grudge it. Cause when me and him click live, the whole internet locked down. For months. I wanna eat it, cause I never get a big hit, so. Every day with their podium. I wanna sit and the bone on the yam on a bone on foot bottom. The amount of things me on a blood clot because it was the it blood clotting. It like fresh trap. I'm on social media all of my life. I'm on social media. I never see me as somebody do one thing. It was a it, like a it blood clot song. Everywhere you go, you see it. Everywhere you go, you hear it. I wanna do. You know, class me. You know, class him. Him no want me. Me a this. Him a that. I don't know stop. You know, ride clout. You know, clown out. You know, go on. Him a look like gala. Him want this. Him no want me. I don't know stop up to blood clot now. Because it will ever be a it blood clot thing. And when Uno and whosoever on all the things we on the net and that keep me not up my mouth. Uno have bad mind now and bad intention and bad ways. Simple. Tell your blood clot man say you a pussy. Left the girl alone. Because if you not keep if you got tell the girl about the boy, she got automatically tell you about me. Leave her alone. No. You click like for me. My pussy big like your own. You told choke back sore. A woman with name, if me stink, you stink too. Someone know where you can come tell me say. The one we are beggar, you know more than me. Me not live no blood clot where me not have no secret. So I don't know where I go run out like chicken Mary at the end like I'm afraid I don't know. How the blood clot don't know. You know like run up in a man blood clotting but you run your pussy clot. What the fuck in him me and the boy get a breeze. What the fuck do you know? You can't stop me from talk. Oh. Mother turn on this and throw it to girl. A serious time now. Moderator, turn on this and throw it to gal. A serious time now. Throw it to gal. Una right face or go on. Remember when I seek validation. Moderator, turn on this and throw it to gal. Moderator, turn on the comment and throw it to gal. What? Throw it to. Who turn on the turn time I can throw it to gal. Me not seek validation. Me don't have my team already. Me build my team long time. Turn it on. Me turn it on. Me turn it on and throw it to gal. I've had this blood clot here. I will just call on my phone. Throw it to gal. And boy, throw them away. Throw them away. All who write long paragraph, throw them away. Throw them away because I can't read. What the fuck? Throw them away. Don't know fuck her and left her long blood clot. I might fuck her and left her too. And nobody know want she. Because them all recti blood clot beard. Our whole should have mash up because them use it too much on them throat. Can them a suck good for them a baby? Them a suck good for them a toddler. So them choke back chore. Not a long time porn star can argue with blood clot me. Oh. I'm gonna let the pop tape or something no wood. I'm gonna get me take the blood clot all over this pussy clot here. I'm gonna throw it to her. Every blood clot take. Ah, man, no why, 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 yo. And when them did have them thing, I'm gonna but not trouble them. You don't understand the blood clot sequence. Nobody not trouble them. And I mean, mash up your life and doing a blood clot people in our ears. As I hear me take a click blood clot live. When them man over there blood clot troll me not click na blood clot live. You know grudgeful and bad man, I'm not shape like you. When them over there chat off him out in a blood clot them say stop. No. No, you make him chat. Don't want me a chat now. Me a girl come suck my pussy with that straw. Or suck your mama. Now get my mother over this blood clot here, you know. Cause me couldn't see my brother enough and lick me in a real life. Oh. Don't fuck with my blood clot spirit. Every bumper clot, people talk, him, the boy no want me and don't wanna fuck you and no why that me say. And that my blood clot say. They want me. And that me say. The boy no want me, I don't wanna fuck you and no want you. And that me say. Cause you talk same fuck you. And him not use you. And that me pussy clot so that burn your soul. So the whole way I get burned up over this blood clot. Me I feel away, the one you feel away, you I feel away and bumbo clot. I feel away. The whole way I feel away. Unu na make we feel away and unu na feel away. So you gotta get involved for you want in the mix. She don't know nothing about me. I can't sit supposed to blood clot mash up. I can't sit supposed to blood clot mash up. Like our pussy will park up like Leland Chuck. Cause me can't believe say Eddie fuck she 2 times and dumb she. Cause them easy. Them come like them drink Spanish fly. As them bunks say fuck them. The girl can not chat things with blood clot me. Me not fucky like them and fuck out. Them on your blood clot. One cock up batty, man, no nothing. Them can't keep and kill, them can't turn figuree. Them not boss bitch. And you see them pussy they are throat and them when you see them pussy and them back out and them choke back. And them choke back. Which blood clot girl can chat to me. I don't ever naked. Go put on clothes, bitch. What them they call moral. Zubazaba. When you not wear clothes, when you a bitch. When you can't chat to me, a girl don't get this technical, you know. And don't me rat a bumbo clot rise. Oh. Actually, your whole mash up. Not your blood clot car. Fuck you. No dibby no blood clot. Me just buy a car to a big pussy girl. When them over blood clot, yeah. The whole of them have problem. Because when me and the boy click the live and it lock down the blood clot net. When me and the boy click the blood clot live and it lock down the blood clot net, the whole of them have tisic. Here go. Everybody want to see it. Everybody have viewed. When you go up on the FYP, just every scroll, you scroll off, you see it. Every scroll, you scroll, and it burn them like 12 noon, because I know the junk of them. And them run out 1-1 and 2-2. You understand? Them run out 1-1 and 2-2. Girl look better than me. Me there with my man for me at 20. What looks at though? Girl have cock up body and she go, me and Joseph for me at 20. And me at 12 years, me keep my relationship chip for. And that win, 12 years, till I do it and beat me. Ask her when she and trust the father blood clot left. Ask her. Ask her when she and trust the father left. Me and Joseph for me at 20, at 12 years, me keep my blood clot man for. 12, me not fucky. That win. Me not fucky where body I go. Where body a blood clot go. And if you do not got blood clot, you go attack it. What win? No it a run girl can go the boy fuck one time and throw one side. Me keep boy for years. If they me no got there go tack on nobody and natural body me keep. Shit bad. Like wow and keep man. You have to tack up on nobody. Tack it. I staple it. So I have blood clot naturally. Come to me naturally. Can the blood clot put you take a photo shot it? And your body full of pure blood clot then like when you drop blood clot can ground. You're not going to skin smooth and well relaxed and fine. Go ahead. You're not going to skin blood clot smooth and well relaxed and pussy clot fine. And the me shit body full of dent. The last time Roger come talk your body full of blood clot dent for your big body. Appear all you say. Like it's a chapal in a holy. Where blood clot you mean? Me nobody not tack up. My shape body don't have nothing over me a blood clot. I'm not stay with you know. I'm not stay with you know a blood clot. Cause my blood clot son can carry no old Jezebel all that come show me. My son can't carry no Jezebel, no old chink, no old all that, no old fuck out, scribbable, but angle bag. Come blood clot from my boy, man. Move for me so with the blood clot, man. Go put on clothes. My son can't carry no girl come show me no one shot something with all our pussy a show. We are go that the bitch there. And the first me say, where you go with that bitch there? And this is a bitch that. Anybody can join a Caan and fuck. Them can't give me. God search for your music career finish and come argue with me. Come and argue with you. Every time I think you want to come bumbo clad, come along, talk to your blood clad. Man, where you fuck. When I want you. Bumbo hole. And I get me irritable. When him love the band, yang, that when you over the band, wagga, and you choke back and that serve the whole net. Me never trouble you. When you over the band, wagga, and you choke back, and you have done behind you in a blood clot party, and the band, yeah, DJ the band, and the band, yeah, DJ the band, me never trouble you, no. When I have him behind you like a sing G, me no blow, no. So when the bomber pussy blood clot, you want to come text it on me and my thing when me I do with my man. I'm gonna for blood clot I can like jump on weak fence. This a one fence when you not go jump on a blood clot. Come tell me anything I can't answer you. Cause me stink, you stinker. Cause we have multiple partner. I found a blood clot Pt.3 balance 2 off. Cause remember every man me to no fuck on no. Me stink on stink her. Me stink your car, you stink up your car. Me stink your car, you stink it up. Cause I walk with good shape and a rotten body. Now, girl, we not good chop and a rotten body can't argue with me. You know, fuck everybody fuck you know. You have the DPH in a stinkness. You know, certified night. Well, look good a blood clot go. You know, look good. You don't have the character. Shame. Which blood clot, bomber clot, porn star kind of chattings with me. Eh? Which girl will drink comfy punch can argue with blood clot, ROSEALEE. Everything fuck you know suck them old. Me not suck good so. Don't get me blood clot tear off, you know. Don't get me blood clots, guys. Everything fucking no suck them old. Me no suck cocky so. Dirty girl. When I have the PhD in a craniness. The PhD in a blood clots scumbag. The blood clot PhD in a blood clot. Whore. I want to put the first urge in a whore. That's why I don't know why you're a whore. When blood clot, Jaden it say no one you can not wear clothes. You're a bitch. And I film turns, you know, jump film so quick, but I mean you want to argue with it. Yeah. Come here over Jaden live and Jaden make me know say, him would want you. Cause you know, you're naughty, you don't know wear good clothes. Me over him live and him talk it out, I must say, him would want you cause you know, put yourself in a clothes. You know, answer him up to now. And me you want jump on everything, I have a secret for me. Me no book up in a no suck shop. Cause me suck my good them with caution and clarity. Cause me not sucky. Nah fucky. Me a done for no. Oh. Cause me no walk with my pussy up here, so me walk it down your so. With band down for there. Take up them there. No girl who walk with them pussy upon them blood clot for it can't give it to me. Oh. Go and go buy the something, man. You go like your blood clot things. And on time when you mash up and come back to blood clot. Refination. You no go and like say girl and in a blood clot chatting. Eh? Every blood clot time this boy come over here. The man no want you. Some them say so what? Remember you fuck she and you look past she? So if it evidence that Akim no want me, it evidence that doing a fuck Candy no want her. So what the problem? No. You only giving to phone feelings I wanna feel pan this. I noticed this on the app. You only giving to who feelings I will who feel. What I feel, I don't feel shit. I don't feel nothing, you know. I'm a old arg. I lie. One not around the FYP, nobody not puzzle, nobody not trouble, no. No boy, no girl now give me salt my blood clotting when me I do. Cause when you not give me nothing, nobody no blood clot give me salt. No bad mind and grudgeful. When views and hype and following and kind of take on you. And as you click on the live, so they open the ranking. See me singing like Brother Dog with my scrums. See me team, yeah? I'm going to try to tell them, no, it's true. When Uno around the net, you know, and you come up, as you come on the podium, as you come on, the fly go up there. As him come on, the fly go up there. Nobody trouble, you know. People look and look. Me look out of my eye and say, what? I just say go. So when I my time, give me my time, you never get your blood clot time, bitch. You never get fame time. What the fuck do you know? When I my time alone, I get my time. She can't class me a blood clot. Cause order upon my first name. June. I order upon for them first blood clot name. No porn star can't give it blood clot me. Cause pussy them used to blood clot sell per rap sheet. No girl with them rap sheet run for blank for yourself like I give it blood clot me. I pussy them sell. Them stop, I when them stop say the whole work can't go with me, no pussy seller. Drink come, girl, like come punch, can't go with blood clot me. Them only can't tell me say my shit bad, and me can't tell them say them knock up them body with two tack. Don't get me blood clot, man. Talk to you, man, come never want to come boy here, you know. But me notice every bumbo clot time your man talking a candy. I mean you want to come out good and I don't want to get ignorant pound, you know. Me a hold my composure, you know. Talk to your man, come now fast with blood clot, you know. Come now walk and trouble people. Come now look no cloud. And I'm head like it out for get off. Me want me rather want blood clot food. I like me don't even want to eat it, you know. Suck your mother shot and come out of my blood clot chat. Oh, man, I throw it to so good, girl. To lick up batty blood clot, girl. And a bitch can't tell me blood clot because me exposed to money too. No girl can't tell me shit. Because I want to knock up my body like for them, I can't go tack it up. Because tack them blood clot body. With stapler. Oh. So whole and dent in it. Suck on no matter not come here, so. Oh. And I gotta leave this blood clot place early, you know. Because I don't want to get vile. You know long me no blood clot argue. But some things burns my spirit, you know. You know long me no blood clot argue. You know long me go arguing. But some things burn my blood clot spirit, you know. Some things burn my blood clot spirit. Something burn my bumbo clot spirit. You know long me no argue on social media. You know long me no blood clot argue. Something burn my spirit, you know, man. Leave me alone, man. Alright. I done blood clot talk. I'm not argue with you now. What living in all house like my blood clot? Bitch, never this me. What the fuck she mean by she got pay 400,000 upon her blood clot? Your likes blood clot say. That's why I don't like them my germs. I don't like the TikTok them my germs. Me stay far from blood clot them. We don't tell me no blood clot, mother to not tell me no lie. Them my germs. I'm afraid of them, I'm not gonna with them. Cause when them want clout, them talk I wanna go so. Big pussy girl, I'm gonna go in your blood clot car go do. If I make 400 blood clot 1,000 cost wanting. Me not set up in a Akim car, I mean, in balance or something so good. Fuck out mouth. Now no belly bottom candy. Candy with the lights near your throat back. No man not drink fire. No man not yam fire. Storm out. Me not set up in a Akim blood clot 2 seat. The same thing doing pussy clot seat. So good girl. Dirty arms house. Jaws the wash. Slime bucket. Razzle dazzle. Compound blood clot belly. Eel gal smell like eel. Fish market hole. Ginger belly gal. Dasher belly gal. Cokehead. Rotten bottom. See that board arm. Big pussy. Nana belly bottom. Man now steer the all over all that all 6 stomach. All junk crow. What the fuck could I do in your blood clot? You spend 400. You spend 400 on your dent up blood clot body. You go pash like chaka gong. Suck your mama. I say that a suck good girl. Oh. Cause you suck 40 would already. I don't know. Me I don't know the same age. Me at 32, you had 20 blood clot for. I don't know, suck 50 wood already. Me I don't know the same thing. Yeah, I have to keep clean. No more go everywhere. You don't want to go up on all, you look out all batty wall. Can you look nasty and freaky. Don't fuck with me head. Oh. Come on, trouble blood clot, you know, girl. But it's all no blood clot. I never want to cuss out somebody, not God. I never talk, chat God, me never want. I say me I hold my mouth, you know. If I want me say girl pinch me, I say don't pinch me, you know. Talk to your man. Don't bumbleclad pinch me, you know. Cause someone don't gonna put on feelings, you know. I wanna take people bumbleclad, you know, I don't like someone on social media, I'm safe from you know. And so long I talk peer story and say beg to this and beg to that. You know, I'm gonna pinch me, I'm gonna fuck with you know. Cause I'm dark like midnight, you know. Come never want to come bring your blood club. I never want class, yo. Cause you can't tell me if you at me. What the fuck you think about shut up blood club about? Don't come over come tell me nothing. So if you're talking at the first bumbleclad place. Your blood ain't man, it's evident. If don't have trouble anybody else, I'm gonna tell her about her. It's evident. Everybody go walk and take on. Or me you want to take on cause clout there. So don't flip my script, you know. Coming on nice. Come got to mash up your blood clot car far. Like how long do you want? You have something to tell me stinking girl. Do you tell me to go up in? You tell me something to go up in it and stand up in night. Me stand up in a Hakim too. I go for the blood. Me no want class. Hey, me no want go body now. Me take it easy. And your pussy blood clot mash up. Your blood clot pussy. I don't think for a top strat. Don't take my bumbo clotting for joke thing. Man no wire. Man no wire. Man want no. Me not drink no water. Every minute man want no. He might tell me say the boy no want me. I might tell him say, oh man no want me, you me. Remember you fuck girl and no want them. You get me I live delusion like you get it around. What the problem? The whole never want to sit long time. Because me know. The whole no want to sit long time in the car. When me Hakim I do this, you scroll upon the FYP. I PITRC, you scroll through video. When I scroll one video, you see it. And when I scroll two more other video, you see it. And it was a hit thing, it took over the whole FYP for months. I only never like see it because what? I only like see people shine more than you know. I only like see people rise more than you know. So it cause a controversy. So the one on a group up on a chat, all of a sudden, man, you have interest in a man, and look how long man upon social media. You have some of the people must say, oh, yeah, look like man, I look here, yeah, add man, yeah, play match, you want play match, I look how long they upon social media, you never look on him. Look how long, look how long him the past social media, you never look upon him. So no one just coming out where I created and you no want something that I have. That is bad mind. That is the key thing of bad mind. When somebody with something and don't want to have it. Keep on a bad mind. I'm a bad mind for no talk up body. I'm a bad mind if you talk up body. All of a sudden, man I look you. Oh, it look like Akeem like Candy all of a sudden. That have nothing to do with me. When me look, me see it. Oh, roses. Rosie. Me just skip past it. You know, red eye. Take him. Cause bitch, it not gonna be the same. Cause everybody know no fucky. And you can't be me. Which is the only care. You can't be a ROSEALEE. So if I even take him now and him gone to you now, it not change nothing. Nobody now use, you know. A ROSEALEE, cho. Star and scuminar. And bulb a blood clot bulb. You can't be me. The party can't start without me. It can't go on over and I want that done. Me have to do that blood clot entrance. I don't feel like such one have bad. You can't come tell me some shit, but I'm a crawl allow and tell. For nobody already yet. It still need fixtures. By 5 year time, we deflate. Breast sag and body sag. We're going to find one of that 200 million to go fix the sadness. The sadness with the sadness. Because we start sag, we sad. Every 5 years, we go fix, we blow up, we balloon them. So what the fuck goes on for something? You look good after 5 years start to sag. Everything does drop them. Flip the flit and the flame. So the fuck goes on for blood clot tack. We go tack up and puff up. And puff up. And by 5 year time, we 5 more months, we go do more surgery. Because designer body good and not do no more free surgery after that. Because we know no go down like freeness. We don't want promotion for doing no tired blood clot, old kangaroos body one have. Them sag and sad. Old kangaroos body one have. Old tough blood clot like turbid skin. Pan fish, you know hard for scale. Don't fuck with my blood clot. You know, like so long I suck up to you, and when I blow up on you, I got blood clot like a pound of bomber clot pan this. Suck out your mother. Hard! I'm not run no joke too. I'm not no blood clot back and forth, yes, so. I'm not trouble on a pussy clot. I don't trouble on you. I don't trouble on you. You talk about me, she talk about, you talk about me, me talk about women, I talk about you. And it's ironic. You know why it's ironic? And it is so ironic, and it is so ironic, and me not care. Come here, big hole. Chill pan a black here. Mother black. When the mother them thing down here my mouth. When the one of them song and I do them stuff, I don't open my mouth. Everybody pan get them time and them chant. I was so special about me, the man no want me so. Me never come here and look no man, me come here with my man. Me never come here and look no man. When fool them uno bad mind, one not get to no shine when me do. Shut up. Big pussy girl, when they over here, you never hear me in an argument with you. Me not even troll you no. Me gonna look pan you and tell you the things them. When I'm over here say don't you a madman, me no look pan him. Miss everything pan the FYP, everybody see it. When I'm over here say don't you a madman fuck you. Donna is a mad Donna there was a madman. With them certain blood clot type certificate, you never hear my mouth. I never said don't touch my fucking mouth. I see everything. I don't walk and fast with people. Don't tell me for bomber clot. Stop. Leave me alone. She not have a blood clot trouble me at cross case. Me not trouble her. Me not trouble her. Her fucker boy a talk about me and my man and me a talk about him and she. What me know about? So I troll for troll. So with the blood clot every time you click your life and me you come out. Suck a doodle. Me and Mr. Nugel and them a hit and run. Come never give a boy no one fucker them run for me yet. I'm a shape like them. Me keep boy for years. All of my boy me keep for. I want my hide and fuck a boy a long time. Me a fuck him. Me keep boy for years. And all of my ex them me and them good. Me not have no ex with hate me. Years. Cause good pussy no come in a good shape. Cause some no look good on the outside and none on the belly bottom on the in blood clot side. You don't have the belly bottom. You don't have a good fuck. And that's bad you don't have a muggle with. No man not stay with no becks. Oh, look how me look at your pussy no good. Where? Oh, look how me look at your pussy no good. Oh, look how me look how me look at your pussy no good. Cause I run out to enough tack up body. Look how me look good, I'ma cock up your pussy no good. Cause no man not run from a good fuck. Go fix your hole before you reach a so girl. No man not run from a good fuck. The boy doesn't want to own same fuck you. And you are come talk about car mash up. Eh? The boy never one of the first blood clot shape good girl. Me say fuck a boy when I want her. And that's supposed to be because me shape bad. A man with that shape say them fuck me. I say your shape so good and body cock up. I alone I want to do na fuck you. The boy now own you. Not even for a second. You know shame. And I'm even gonna take a problem upon him. Time now wants him fuck you. Cause to them attack him say him never fuck you yet. Him lock him out. You don't shame. Him brother see a pussy. Him friend him see a pussy a body. And the whole party I see under you. Why me don't want a girl when I see everybody I see the pussy before me. Everybody I see a pussy. Woman I see a pussy, a man I see a pussy. Who walk with you? And it's how you dress every single time. You don't put on clothes. You're just like a whore. So we are come argue with. You're just like a sell pussy girl. You're just like a back road girl. So we are going to argue. You can't argue with me? Don't think when you do just carry on a back road and present your one spot. You say business. You can't argue with me. Me a class girl. I cover up myself. I'm glad me born shape, but so I can't cover up the whole of myself. Can me tell myself the life say, is a man we are gonna fuck me for see my pussy. Not the whole blood clot world. It's how I take out my clothes, my skin clean, regardless of how my shape body. Come and tell me, say, it's a boy we are gonna fuck me supposed to skin my whole entire body. Everywhere, all here, so brown I look good. It's a man we are go between my legs for see me. Uno a shop for sale. Uno the pan table, cotton board. We not for see a pussy, we not for fucking for see a pussy. And that is bad. Go learn some man, I go learn to be a lady like and come about me. That's why I don't know why, because he's a whore. He's a go-go girl. The only thing I need for blood clot I jump on a pole and just shake 2 times. Because just shake 2 times, everything it fly up already, just go up more. And I mean you want to come argue blood clot with. Don't ramp with me. Come in trouble, you know. Wife want me soon come. Chop you look 15K for go up there. You come blood clot, come go and like say, me a blood clot trouble you, and me a class you, and me a trouble you, and me a trouble. Me not blood clot trouble you no. Me not trouble you no. But when I want me go in a blood clot skeptum with you, me a try be nice all long. When I want me go in a skeptum with you, me not go down a skeptum with blood clot you. No man wants a woman when I see them pussy. Look how I go put on clothes. That's how she dress. Even blood clot general go like him no want but when Fabi there and Fabi still on my foot, you can't go lock up your foot. You know see him tell her lock up all the while him tell her lock up your foot. You can't lock up your foot. Which man I go want? Him woman I walk naked the road. Hakim no want Hakim no want candy. No, but that make your body fool you. Can you think of me? I can no want you, him no want. Not even night nurse and I get. Him no want you. Come know which one of one girl. Me I see a pussy. That girl I see a pussy. Everybody I see a one pussy. That one pussy everybody have. As woman. And him no want me and you no want. Yeah. Because when them carry one go meet Annie and the rest of family them. I want them look and see a pussy. I'm gonna say, I can't know when they get this a bitch from. She can't close up face. I will get this a self fuck you from. This is the whole I need share show. I will get this a self fuck you from. I know people chatty. I will get this a self fuck you from. No mannerable. Then me can wear short blood clad clothes. I got have dinner. Go sit down. Can't know mankind yet. Kill someone with a dead body on a body of things. That was Rattle always a blood clot show. When I pass Rattle in the yard, a Rattle always a Rattle she have. I never want to cuss her, but she just take me to my speed limit with 100 hard. Come here, go slow through like China, because I don't want to style my blood clot things. I don't want no one who not care gonna blood clot way. You're careless. Put on clothes. Me, you got blood clot because the whole of your body all out the door. I would just call on my phone in the night. I know I'm not eat my dinner yet. When them call back, we will answer. The whole of your pussy I show, your body I show. The who I want war for walk with. Don't mean the same blood clot you not strip at night. Strip at night and war by day. Don't ramp with me. Put on clothes. You fuck out like dog. All your mouth fuck out. Don't ramp with blood clot me. Cause kill no dead in nobody wanna tack up at things. I have decent blood clot, nice, good looking boy, no want you. Worst college student. We have them sexy and no mannerable, no want you. You have some nice, decent, look good man out there, good looking casual man. We can't bring the old harlot come and them yard get like you know. I'm gonna say, where you going with that image? Uptown people. No one of them yard on our war. Barbara 7 and 10 years from now, Barbara 17. And when 10 years from now come and Father God bless me still for life, I'm still alive and well, Barbara can't carry no girl will look like you in my yard. I'm gonna ask you, where you are go with that? And that it's not like you're not shape good and you not look good, no good. You can't carry no girl when I wear clothes come in my yard. Not Zimbabwe, you mad? Where you go with that? Put on clothes. Me no want to see a pussy, me no fuck girl. Barbara blood clot 7, 10 years from now, Barbara 17. And Barbara cannot carry no girl will look like you round me for same woman. No blood clot girl will look like uno. You ever carry a decent girl come and see her? She have on her skirt above her knee. Her pussy in her show. Her titty not, no, she not exposed. Mommy meet my girlfriend and I look on her from me to okay. Cause she exposed in her clothes, she can't come around me. Go look somebody else. Me not approve that. You have to hide and fuck she. Me no want to get none of that. Yeah. She not have a pretty, she not have a shape good, she not have a nice. She have to wear clothes. Are you alone as man for see a property? When your man start talk, when your man start talk, when your man start talk, when I get into your man there, him alone for supposed to see a property. Respectable. Yeah, I am man alone supposed to see, I am man alone supposed to see a pussy. You're supposed to only wear naked in the house. Where the fuck you there around the whole underneath your bumbo or show? How where you sell pussy or mouth? Go on where you go and don't come here on the ramp with me. Oh. Me I come off 7 minute time. Do you feel like say me I go come argue with you? I better hold tell. You go see. Cause probably him like me the way him not go like you. I remember you fuck man pie already, so I don't know what him I do with you. So when him go look at me, I call him, go on, run down, I'm doing a reject. Eddie Broom. You forgot to fuck 2 man on TikTok already? Anyway, we're not going down like that. We can leave them because them shape good. Chat to not go recharge. Eddie Broom. Don't reject Eddie Broom. Make sure go on, no? Make sure go on, me dear. Because I don't know what that have to do with blood clot me. Like say, me not see anyone play match on the FYP and scroll like me not so, no? Who give a fuck? Trot, we have one go recharge, we have look 2 match, we have play one match and call it a night. And that is the thing what she want back. She want to come on social media and one up. Anybody who want to take me, say I go take them. If you want to look at him, I can start looking from now. That not nothing to do with me. When I soon, I just scroll past. You go like when I look at him over there play match with him, I go take on my powers. What me have already pan here. You not gonna do shit? You not gonna none? But the way I want to look, man. How long do you want something? Yeah, because you want in a competition. Me not in a competition, me dear. Me and I in a competition, me dear. Man, I black 2 people. Me and you not going in no competition. You want to go look at Kim no Candy? See the doorway there? Because you not understand nothing. See the doorway there? Go on, miss. Me not going to tell you, so me go look down here and take up your downfall. Me not going to tell you, so me go look down and take up your downfall and I go want Eddie or fuck you and duck you. Anybody where you want to look, you go look them, me dear. And I nothing to do with me. But come on, pay rank my money and go about my business. My merely blood clot way. I left you over here look clout. That's it. So if you want blood clot, go look him, play with him, go pan date with him that not have none for blood clot, do with me. Me not go cry. Confident. No ask me sure me confident. Me not go cry. Me not go cry. Me not go cry, my love. Me go to soon want to hold me head straight. As a blood clot bad bitch. You never know who me is. It's my business. Me no business. Cause me want if man one date what they do with me. That means you want something that I have. I always want something where girl have. I'm not gonna create my own. This time me go that soon and marry with a man and go take them. You want something that I have. It's a fuck chuck. You know go on?